Hi everyone, thanks for joining us today. I'm Fritz on Fritz here with my friend Snowman Dan. We're here live at one of our favorite hangout spots, Peninsula Park in Pateros. Woo! Yeah. Oh yeah. Nice hot cup of tea. Today is January 15th, 2022. Spin around here a little bit. Don't want to run into the picnic table. Now we're going to sing a song that I wrote here recently that Snowman Dan is just finding out about now. It's called In My Fridge at Home. All right. 2 apples and a banana, banana, banana. I have 2 apples and a banana in my fridge at home. Bump, bump. I have a gallon of milk and a stick of butter. Milk and butter, milk and butter. I have a gallon of milk and butter in my fridge at home. Bump, bump. All right, take it away, Snowman Dan. What's in your fridge at home?
I don't know. I don't know. Too many things that I forgot to clean out, so I don't know.
Da da da. He doesn't know what's in his fridge.
Back there at home.
Back there at home. I have a bottle of Tabasco sauce, Tabasco sauce, Tabasco sauce. I have a bottle of Tabasco sauce in my fridge at home. Bump, bump. In my fridge at home. Bump, bump. Ooh, what is it?
Pie crust. In my fridge at home.
Snowman Dan has pie crust at home. Pie crust at home. Snowman Dan has pie crust at home in his fridge at home.
Yep.
I have a container of yogurt. Container of yogurt. Container of yogurt. I have a container of yogurt in my fridge at home. Bump, bump. In my fridge at home. Bump, bump. La 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 in the fridge. La da 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 in the fridge, in the fridge. In the fridge. What else do I have in my fridge? In my fridge at home. I have a bottle of ketchup, mustard. Ketchup and mustard. I have a bottle of ketchup and mustard. I have a bottle of ketchup and mustard in my fridge at home. In my fridge, in my fridge, in my fridge at home. Let's see. What else do I have in my fridge at home? No barbecue sauce. I do not have barbecue sauce in my fridge at home. I have a bottle of orange juice. Orange juice. Da 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 da. Orange juice. I have orange juice in my fridge at home. Bum bum. In my fridge at home. In my fridge at home. In my fridge at home. Ba-da-pop. In my fridge at home. Pump pump. Alright, thanks everybody. Until next time.
Hot tea.
And applesauce. Bye, everybody.